So let's continue with our next question on lists. We have the same list over here with 4 elements in the list, and now I'm going to perform the addition of C3 with C3. Okay, so firstly, what is C3? Alright, so this is C0, C1, C2 and C3. Okay, so C3, okay, is a logical value of true. Alright, and what will happen if I do a true plus true? Okay, so in Python, the logical value of true is also assigned a value of 1. Alright, so true is actually 1. So when I do true plus true, in this case, what I will get is 1 plus 1, okay, which will print out the value of 2. Okay, so you can see that C3 plus C3 is true plus true, which gives me a value of 2. Okay, so this is something that you need to take note of. Okay, so logical values true have a numerical value of 1 and false has a numerical value of 0. Alright, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.